Video continues our discussion of the before search and can search event, and you can see here that we set e.cancel to true, just preventing the search from taking place. Now, of course, in a more realistic situation, you would want to, as this example shows here, you would want to say, cancel the search if the user did not fill in, say, a value into, say, the company field before searching. But when you cancel the search, you typically would want to tell the user that the search was cancelled and why it's being cancelled. And the way that you can do that is by sending a JavaScript message back to the browser to display. And you can do that by setting a value inside this property over here, which contains an array of all of the JavaScript responses that are going to be sent back to the client, to the browser, after the event callback has been completed. So let's go ahead here and fill this in here, and I'm going to say your search, and you can see here that what we've got in our message is that let's go here and make this so we're going to basically say that we're going to and let me just go here and quickly look at what fields are in this in the search. So in effect, we do have a field called company, so that's good. So let's go back to our events. So what our message over here says is that if what our event handler does is it says if the user did not type in a value into the company field when they did a search, we're going to send back a message that says your search was cancelled because you did not specify a value for the company field. So let's go ahead now and save this and run it. And I'm going to go here and type in, say, Smith, and then hit the search button. And you can see here that here comes our message back that says the search was cancelled because you did not specify a value for the search field. So this is an example of where we canceled the search, but we did the computation on cancelling the search on the server. This is a server-side event. Now, we could also have achieved the exact same result by using a client-side event, and which would have not involved any callback at all. So this was just one way of doing it, and but I could also have gone to my properties over here and then scroll down to system events, and if we go here to search, you'll see that there is a can search submit. So I could have also written JavaScript here to see whether there was a value in the company field and prevented the search from taking place using client-side JavaScript as well. I would have achieved the same result, but I would have achieved it in a different way. This would have done the calculation on the browser side and never even submitted the search request to the browser. But by using an event over here, the search did get submitted to the server, and then on the server we decided that we were not going to execute the search. So we've described here basically how you can use the before search to modify the data that the user submits, the can search to determine whether the user can search or not, and then finally the after search event fires after the search has been executed. And what's useful about this is it tells you what the results of the search were inside the arguments passed in are total pages, current page, total records, and total records. And again, you can send JavaScript back to the browser by setting values inside this property over here.